Hey, Stefan Wagner here again. I just want to congratulate you on getting your hands on the 90-Day Super Producer Blueprint. It's a powerful concept that will allow you to generate leads and sales for your insurance business. It's the same system that I use to generate leads and sales 24/7 on autopilot, and now you have it for your business. Take just a few minutes and listen up. The 90-Day Super Producer Masterclass is completely life-changing and will take your insurance business to an entirely different level.
So here's the deal. The 90-Day Super Producer Masterclass is a step-by-step set of split-tested strategies to optimize your social media pages. We have simplified the masterclass so that you can set it up with absolutely no prior technical experience. It is so easy that even a child could set this up. Granted, some of you may be better off letting your children or grandchildren set this up. All the tools are included. There is no need to reinvent the wheel. Think of it as plug and play, as you go through each module. In 90 minutes you can have this up and running, and once set up it can run on autopilot. The 90-Day Super Producer Masterclass is broken down into 5 phases. Each phase focuses on enhancing specific areas of your marketing efforts. From Phase 1 to Phase 5, you are going to set this entire system up for your insurance business, and it comes with all the resources and tools you need. Just follow the step-by-step process. First, I'm going to give you the profile optimization system that takes you through a proven, relatively unknown way to convert your profile into a 24/7 lead generation machine. The step alone will position you so that you have an unfair advantage over your competitors. Literally every second that passes before you get the profile optimization dialed in, potential clients will be passing you by. Stop what you are doing and take the next 90 minutes to get this set up. All the tools are included in the master class. Nothing has been left to chance, and each part of the strategy has been tested in the real world by our other master class team members. I personally have over 20 years of experience in the financial services industry and can totally relate to the everyday challenges of growing a business. From seminars to direct mail, I have tried it all and have never seen anything that works as efficiently as optimizing your social media pages. In Phase 2, I'm going to give you the exact done-for-you 90-day super producer ClickFunnels that I use in my business to convert complete strangers into loyal fans. This is included as part of your package and is super easy set up. It just takes a few clicks of the mouse, fill in the blank text, do a little drag and drop, and presto, you're all set. In Phase 3, I'm also going to give you a special graphics vault full of professional images you can use on your pages, along with step-by-step instructions on how to import your company logos and bio pictures. Don't have a logo? Well, there's an app for that. In other words, you don't need to be a designer or even pay a designer. We've got you covered. In Phase 4, I'm also going to give you the sales copy to put on your page. I will show you what to write in every section of your entire lead machine website. Once again, when I first got started, I had no clue how to write copy, what to say or how to say it, and most important, what actually worked. I don't want you to have to spend thousands of dollars or a bunch of time figuring out what to write on your page. I already know what works for insurance producers, so you don't have to figure it out the hard way. And last but not least, in Phase 5, we're also going to give you 5 profit-maximizing emails just in case people don't take action right away. These carefully crafted emails are provided in a template format and are ready to go. Perhaps you think email has gone by the wayside. Well, think again. It's all about the subject line and content. And if that wasn't enough already, I'm going to give you even more. Not only am I going to give you everything I just mentioned, I'm going to give you 3 incredibly powerful bonuses. In bonus number 1, I'm going to give you an insurance producer Facebook Messenger bot. No one I know in our industry is using Messenger bots, probably because they have never heard of them, so you know you will be one of the first. This incredible tool will more than set you apart from other producers. It will literally put your message out there directly to your competitors' clients. How powerful is that? You can blast your whole list important information instantly and allow the bot to work its magic on autopilot. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your landing page. This is one of my favorite bonuses. It instantly applies tools to your funnel or landing page that will improve the performance and bring more potential clients to the table. Last but not least, for bonus number 3, I'm going to give you my leads and sales booster secrets. This is a simple one because the software is always set up with a side-by-side split testing function that provides instant updates to show what's working and get rid of what's not working. Using this tool substantially reduces the time it takes to perfect your lead magnet. Imagine going from being a virtual unknown to topping the leaderboards across multiple lines. And listen, this is thousands and thousands of dollars worth of value, and the painstaking task of testing this approach has already been done. But I'm not going to charge you thousands of dollars because you showed me that you're interested in this concept and that you want this up and running for your insurance business. I'm going to charge you an insanely low price and discount this entire system for you today so that you can position yourself so far ahead of the competition it will make their heads spin. Click the button below, get inside, start taking action and watch what this program can do for your business. You'll be invited to our exclusive 90-day Super Producer Facebook group that will not only help you stay on track, it will also help you with updates, tips to scale up your business, incorporate the latest technologies and let you collaborate with other super producers. But, just to sweeten the deal even more, to make this a complete no-brainer, when you enroll in the 90-day Super Producer Masterclass, and you download the tools and resources, and you get your ClickFunnels landing page site up and running. At that point, if you don't think this is absolutely the most amazing program you have ever used, just reach out to my team and we'll refund your entire investment. That's how confident I am in this program and what it's going to do for your business. So, with that being said, now is the time to take action. I don't even want you to think about this right now. Just get in there and get this system up and running for your insurance business so that you can start taking advantage of the hidden traffic on social media to generate free leads and sales. So, click the button below and I'll see you in the 90-day Super Producer Masterclass. Seriously, what are you waiting for? The Lead Fairy to deliver a leprechaun riding on a unicorn with a pot full of golden leads. It's a 100% money back guarantee. Click the button already.